No one claps for men who heal. There's no applause for quiet comebacks. No support groups, no sympathy, just him against the thoughts that tried to break him. He cried where no one could see. He bled without a bandage. He fought battles no one prayed for. Midway he asks, "What if silence is forging me?" Here's the bridge. When quitting seems sane, whisper, "Not today." Stack one quiet win, then another. Purpose blooms in the dark. They'll ask where you've been. Say, rebuilding. No explanations, just evolution.